cold blade cutting normally is used for cotton labor. To exchange the cold cutter, we should turn off the heater of the hot cutter, unconnect the wire, electric wire. Once the cutter is cooled down completely, loose the fixed bolts. And take off the cutter and put it properly. Then install the cold blade cutter. Fix the bolts. For the cold blade cutter, remember that on the cutter frame there is 2 bolts. This is fix the cutter move horizontally along the guider. For the cold blade cutter, we must loose these 2 bolts to make the blade can move along the guide. If it cannot move, it will hurt or cutting not correctly. We make it move freely. Adjust the center fixing spring pressing force for the cutting. When we change the cold blade cut from hot cutter, we should be careful of the timing, machine timing. For example, the labor is cut by the cold blade cut, but the pressing doesn't press on the labor. That means the labor is free during pressing and cutting. For this timing problem, we should take off the side cover. We can find the shaft fixed bolts and loose it and adjust the belt timing.